In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on WhatsApp web, whether it's for emphasizing a correction, showing a mistake humorously, or just adding a bit of flair to your messages. Understanding how to apply formatting like strike through can really enhance your messaging experience. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to do. First and foremost, you'll need to have WhatsApp web up and running. For those who might not be familiar, WhatsApp web allows you to use your WhatsApp account on a desktop browser, providing a larger screen and the convenience of typing with a keyboard. To get started, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official WhatsApp web page. You can usually find this by typing WhatsApp web into your search bar. Once there, you'll be greeted with a QR code. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and scan this code by selecting WhatsApp web from the menu settings. And just like magic, your WhatsApp account will be mirrored on your computer screen. Now that you're in, let's get to the reason you clicked on this video: how to strike through text. Begin by starting a chat with a friend, family member or colleague, anyone you'd like to message. Just click on their name to open a conversation. With the chat window open, start typing your message. Let's say you want to make a joke by pretending to cancel plans, but then immediately reveal you're just kidding. This is a perfect opportunity for using strike through. To apply strike through formatting, all you need to do is bookend the text you want to strike through with tildes. For the uninitiated, a tilde is this little squiggly line, tilde. So if you're typing out a message and decide that a portion of it needs to be struck through, you simply add a tilde at the beginning and end of the specific text segment. For instance, if you're typing, "Can't wait to see you later." Oh wait, sorry. Can't make it tilde, just kidding. You'll want to place a tilde at both ends of "can't make it." It should look something like this. Can't make it tilde. Once you hit send, WhatsApp will automatically recognize the tildes as a command to apply strike through formatting to the text enclosed within them. A few key tips to remember. 1. Ensure there's no space between the tilde and the last character of the text you want to strike through. Adding a space can prevent the formatting from being applied correctly. 2. This tilde trick isn't limited to strike through. WhatsApp supports other formatting options like bold, italics and monospace. Experiment with these to make your messages even more vibrant. 3. Sometimes, especially if you're in a hurry, it's easy to mistype or forget to close the formatting with a second tilde. Always double check your message before hitting send to make sure the formatting looks right. And that, in essence, is how simple it is to use strike through on WhatsApp web. This feature can add not just emphasis, but also variety and nuance to your communication. It's perfect for making corrections, adding a playful tone to your messages, or even just visually separating different parts of your message. Remember, effective communication is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. With this strike through feature, WhatsApp web gives you one more tool in your arsenal to express yourself clearly and creatively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to practice what you've just learned and don't hesitate to play around with other formatting options to better express your mood and messages. Messaging on WhatsApp web just got a little more fun and personalized. Keep exploring and see you in the next video where we'll uncover more tips and tricks to enhance your digital communication.